Yo, what is going on YouTube? My name is Ty with xking.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. This video is a real quick video about Get Upside Gas app. I made one before in the past, and right now I'm up to $37.32. Okay, and my last video, I think I had $50 and some change. So far, go to history. I've made $145.59 using the Get Upside Gas app. And that took a long time, and this is probably almost, I've been using it for a year now. If you scroll through here, look through my gas purchases, I've been using this for a year now, or more than a year, probably like 13, 14 months. So I made $145.59. So I pump my gas, and I use the high octane in my gas, and I pump my wife's gas, and she used the regular gas, I think 87. So that kind of like tells you how much I make per month. I got some processing now, but any month I probably make about says here, I think Mara made $11. Some issues with some receipts, but like $11, $7 in February because it was a short month. January I made $12. So I make about, I put gas in my car once a week, in my wife's car. Well, my car is probably once every 2 weeks. I don't go back and forth. Just go back and forth to work. That's it. At home, that's it. My wife goes to daycare to pick her son up every morning, and and go to the store or stuff like that. So that's also why she runs through gas. But I made $37 so far, and I'm gonna cash this now. I'm gonna go ahead and cash out now. You cash out to your PayPal, and that PayPal goes straight to your debit card. Is this the Get Upside app worth it? Yes. You're not gonna make a whole lot of money. If you're an Uber driver, or you drive whatever, you're doing Uber Eats, or you do something with driving, or you have a business that you drive house to house, and you have a business that maybe you do lawn care or something like that, use gasoline, you probably make way more money than me. You probably, instead of doing $12 a month, you might do 20 or $22 a month. Still not bad money for pumping gas. So all you have to do is go to gas stations here and then list them up. Valero, BP, whatever area you're at, they might have Circle K, they might have Shell, they might have some other gas stations. What you do is hit claim, and you would hit upload receipt, and once you're done pumping gas, you sit back in your car, you scan the receipt, you wait a day or so. It's getting better. It was like 3 or 4 days. Now it's like a day, sometimes a day and a half, and you get cash back into this account. And it's worth it. I made $145, and for the year, it's not a whole lot of money, but with gas prices where it is now, it's really cheap right now. At the time I'm shooting this video, it's very cheap right now. So it's good to go ahead and fill up on your gas, fill up your gas can. If you have a gas can, when gas get cheap, fill that up. Fill your both cars, if 2 cars, fill both of those up. Buy that gas can and fill that up, and scan that receipt. Okay, that's a good way of getting more cash back with the Get Upside Gas app. I'm gonna cash out at $37.32 because the money been sitting there. Right now we're still in quarantine, so we're not driving as much anymore. So I'm putting gas in my wife's car every other 2 weeks, and I'm not driving my car at all. I mean, I haven't put gas in my car over a month. So I'm gonna go ahead and cash it out now, and use this $37.32 and buy me some dividend-paying stocks. And that's just free. I'm using free money, and I'm buying me an asset that's gonna make me money every quarter, every month. So check out the Get Upside Gas app. I advise you to, once it gets to $50, go ahead and cash it out, because you don't want the money sitting there, because the money is not making no money. It's not earning interest and not paying you a dividend. So my advice to you is just to, bid up $25, $30 and use that $25, $30 to buy you an asset. And I advise, go ahead, and if you want to go in the stock market, buy you a stock with this money. This money is not costing you no money. Just, upload a receipt takes literally 10 seconds. I mean, literally it takes me maybe 10 to 20 seconds to upload a receipt, and that's it. That's how easy it is. So that's what I do. And over time, I add it up, and I'm gonna buy me a nice stock, AT&T stock, or hold it and get paid a dividend every quarter, and I can have this stock forever. And the stocks I can pass down to my son, to my kids. So check out the Get Upside Gas app. I have a link below the description if you want to check that out. Also check out Robinhood if you want to use this money. I mean, don't the money sitting here. I had this money sitting here for 3 or 4 weeks now. It's not making me no money. It's not gaining interest. It's not a bank account. It's just money sitting there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cash out today through PayPal, and they also have gift cards too. You can cash out with gift cards as well. It's not just cash, but gift cards. You have a favorite restaurant. You can cash out through PayPal, Walmart. You can mail you a check if you want, but I would suggest, instead of buying food, instead of buying Amazon stuff, buy you an asset with this money. Because the asset is worth it. Okay? My name is Ty with SKing.com. I have links below the video to join Get Upside Gas app. If you use my referral code, I believe you get a bonus on your first tank of gas. You get a bonus 10 cents. So on your first tank of gas, what I suggest is you break to your car, get to low on gas, fill it up, get some gas cans, fill that up, and if your spouse needs gas, fill their car up as well. That's how I would do it. I don't know how you do 2 cars, but I guess if the gas is empty, you can pump your gas, and she can take your spot, and you can pump her gas. So, yeah, pump it full of gas, get some gas cans, fill that up as well, and get cash back for getting gas. Something we do every day anyway. My name is Ty with SKing.com. Thanks for watching.